Elon Musk appears ready to commit an astonishing amount of capital to what may become one of the most ambitious industrial projects ever associated with artificial intelligence. Reports surrounding the proposed Terafab initiative suggest that the long-term investment could eventually approach $119 billion, a figure so enormous that it rivals the economic output of entire nations. Rather than focusing on consumer products, retail services, or traditional manufacturing, the vision centers on a vast semiconductor ecosystem designed to secure the computational foundation needed for the next generation of artificial intelligence. At first glance, spending such a fortune on chip production may seem excessive, but the reasoning becomes clearer when viewed through the lens of Musk's broader ambitions. Every major company within his ecosystem increasingly depends on advanced computing power. Whether it is autonomous transportation, humanoid robotics, satellite infrastructure, or large-scale AI systems, the common denominator is access to powerful chips. The modern Tesla is no longer merely an electric vehicle. It has evolved into a rolling computer system that constantly interprets its environment. Cameras, sensors, machine learning models, and decision-making algorithms must process enormous amounts of information every second. The company's long-term vision of fully autonomous transportation requires a level of computational capability that far exceeds what is needed in conventional automobiles. Multiply that requirement across millions of vehicles and the demand for specialized processors becomes extraordinary. Yet autonomous vehicles represent only one component of a much larger strategy. Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot presents an even more demanding challenge. A machine designed to function in human environments must continuously perceive, analyze, and respond to an unpredictable world. It must recognize objects, maintain balance, coordinate movement across numerous joints, understand instructions, and react safely to changing situations. Achieving this at scale will require immense computational resources. Many researchers believe humanoid robotics could ultimately create a demand for processing power greater than that generated by the smartphone revolution. Every advancement in robotic capability increases the need for more efficient chips, more sophisticated AI models, and more powerful training infrastructure. SpaceX introduces another layer to the equation. While many people primarily associate the company with rockets and spacecraft, its Starlink satellite network has become one of its most important assets. Future versions of satellite networks may perform increasingly complex computational tasks directly in orbit rather than transmitting all information back to Earth for processing. This concept could dramatically reduce latency while enabling entirely new applications. To support such a future, specialized processors capable of operating in harsh space environments would be required. Radiation resistance, thermal stability, and reliability would become critical design priorities. Then there is xAI, Musk's artificial intelligence company. The race to build advanced AI systems has transformed semiconductors into one of the most strategically important resources on the planet. Training frontier AI models requires vast numbers of GPUs and accelerators. Companies across the technology sector compete aggressively for access to limited supplies. As demand accelerates, supply constraints become increasingly significant. In this environment, control over semiconductor production becomes more than a manufacturing advantage, it becomes a strategic necessity. Viewed from this perspective, Terafab appears less like a standalone factory and more like an attempt to establish the computational backbone of an integrated technological empire. Rather than depending entirely on external suppliers, Musk seems interested in securing every critical component required to power future AI systems. The strategy resembles Tesla's earlier approach to batteries. When battery availability threatened to limit electric vehicle growth, Tesla invested heavily in manufacturing expertise, production capacity, and proprietary technologies. That decision ultimately strengthened the company's position within the automotive industry. However, semiconductor manufacturing is considerably more complex. Producing advanced chips requires extraordinary precision. Fabrication facilities depend on ultra-clean environments, highly specialized equipment, and manufacturing processes measured at microscopic scales. Extreme ultraviolet lithography systems cost hundreds of millions of dollars. Even the smallest defect can ruin an entire production batch. Industry leaders such as Intel, Samsung, and TSMC have spent decades refining their capabilities. Entering this field demands not only financial resources but also engineering expertise, operational discipline, and long-term commitment. What makes Terafab particularly intriguing is the possibility that it could integrate multiple stages of technological development into a single ecosystem. Traditionally, chip design, fabrication, software development, AI training, and product deployment occur across separate organizations and locations. This separation slows innovation because improvements often require lengthy coordination between different companies. The proposed Terafab model appears designed to reduce those delays. A new processor architecture could theoretically be designed, manufactured, tested, and evaluated within a much shorter cycle. Data generated by vehicles or robots could flow directly into AI training systems, while lessons learned from those systems could immediately influence future chip designs. Such a feedback loop could dramatically accelerate innovation. Instead of waiting months for hardware revisions, companies could iterate more rapidly. If a processor consumes too much power, generates excessive heat, or struggles with specific AI workloads, engineers could respond more quickly. The result would be an environment where hardware and software evolve together, creating a faster pace of development than traditional industrial structures allow. The scale discussed for Terafab is almost difficult to comprehend. Estimates suggest ambitions reaching unprecedented levels of computational output and manufacturing capacity. If realized, the facility could rank among the largest industrial complexes ever constructed. Such ambitions reflect Musk's belief that future AI demand will vastly exceed current semiconductor production capabilities. Rather than assuming existing suppliers can satisfy that demand, he appears to be planning for a world in which computational resources become the defining constraint on technological progress. Intel's potential role becomes particularly important in this context. Semiconductor manufacturing experience cannot be acquired overnight. Companies with decades of expertise possess invaluable knowledge regarding process optimization, yield improvement, and facility operation. Collaborations involving established industry veterans could significantly reduce the risks associated with scaling advanced fabrication facilities. The roadmap frequently discussed around Terafab includes both AI processors for terrestrial applications and specialized chips for space-based systems. Earth-focused processors would support autonomous vehicles, robotics, and AI infrastructure, while space-grade hardware would power future generations of satellite technology. These parallel development paths highlight the breadth of Musk's ambitions. Rather than focusing on a single market, the strategy seeks to create a comprehensive computational ecosystem extending from factory floors to orbit. If successful, such integration could transform Tesla's identity. The company would no longer be viewed solely as an automaker. Instead, it could emerge as one of the world's most significant industrial AI organizations. The distinction matters because future competition may increasingly revolve around the ability to learn, adapt, and deploy improvements faster than rivals. In such an environment, the company that controls data, chips, AI models, and deployment platforms gains a powerful advantage. The discussion then shifts toward manufacturing innovations that could support large-scale deployment of future Tesla products. Musk has frequently emphasized that production itself represents one of the greatest challenges in technology. Designing a product is only the beginning, manufacturing millions of units efficiently is where true competitive advantages emerge. This philosophy is reflected in Tesla's continued investment in giant casting systems known as gigapresses. Traditional vehicle manufacturing relies on numerous stamped metal components joined together through welding and assembly operations. Each component introduces small dimensional variations. Individually these variations appear insignificant, but collectively they can accumulate into larger alignment issues. Manufacturers must then invest time and resources correcting these inconsistencies. The process adds complexity, labor requirements, and production costs. Tesla's casting approach seeks to eliminate many of these challenges. Instead of assembling dozens of individual parts, large structural sections can be produced as single cast components. Because the geometry originates from a single mold, dimensional consistency improves dramatically. The reduction in parts also simplifies assembly operations, decreases manufacturing complexity, and reduces opportunities for error. The result is a more streamlined production process capable of supporting higher volumes. Another major advantage involves structural battery integration. Tesla's vision extends beyond placing batteries inside vehicles. The company aims to make battery packs integral components of the vehicle structure itself. This approach can reduce weight, improve rigidity, and increase efficiency. However, it requires exceptionally strong supporting structures. Large cast components provide the stiffness necessary to integrate batteries as load-bearing elements without compromising durability or safety. By replacing complex welded assemblies with large castings, Tesla can create structures that distribute forces more effectively. Fewer joints mean fewer stress concentrations. This improves overall rigidity while reducing the need for additional reinforcement. Benefits include enhanced crash performance, improved handling characteristics, lower weight, and greater packaging efficiency. Collectively, these advantages contribute to better vehicle performance and lower production costs. The growing interest in gigacasting technology demonstrates that competitors recognize its potential importance. Automakers around the world are investing in larger casting systems as they search for ways to reduce costs and improve efficiency in electric vehicle production. The transition reflects broader economic realities. Electric vehicles contain fewer moving parts than traditional internal combustion vehicles, meaning manufacturing efficiency becomes increasingly important to profitability. Large casting systems require significant investments in equipment, facilities, and process development. Nevertheless, many manufacturers believe such investments are necessary to remain competitive. As production volumes increase, even modest reductions in complexity can generate substantial cost savings. Companies capable of simplifying assembly while maintaining quality gain a significant advantage. The Tesla Semi may eventually become one of the most compelling demonstrations of these principles. Evidence from Tesla's Nevada operations suggests the company continues exploring large-scale casting applications for heavy-duty transportation. Rather than relying exclusively on conventional steel frame architectures, future designs could incorporate substantial cast structures integrated with structural battery systems. Such an approach could reduce weight, improve durability, and simplify production. Weight reduction is particularly valuable in commercial trucking because every kilogram removed from the vehicle can potentially be converted into additional payload capacity. Improved efficiency also lowers operating costs, an important consideration for fleet operators evaluating electric transportation solutions. Combined with structural batteries and advanced manufacturing techniques, large cast components could contribute significantly to the Semi's long-term competitiveness. Underlying all of these developments is Musk's recurring belief in the importance of manufacturing innovation. He often argues that the factory itself should be viewed as a product. Improvements in production systems can create advantages just as meaningful as improvements in the products being manufactured. Faster production, lower costs, greater consistency, and simplified supply chains can fundamentally reshape entire industries. Whether discussing AI chips, autonomous vehicles, humanoid robots, satellite infrastructure, or advanced manufacturing systems, the central theme remains the same. Musk's strategy focuses on removing bottlenecks. By securing semiconductor production, integrating AI development, and reinventing manufacturing processes, he aims to create an ecosystem capable of evolving more quickly than traditional competitors. Success is far from guaranteed, and the technical challenges remain enormous. Yet the scale of the vision illustrates how future competition may increasingly depend not only on individual products but on entire interconnected systems capable of learning, improving, and scaling at unprecedented speed.